think they may miscommunication sa depensa ng San Juan. Buti na lang natapik yung bola. But here on the other end, forcing a turnover and converting to a fast break again. In their previous match at 12 points, 5 assists, but glaring 6 steals. Samantalang talking about steals, Orlan Wamar, their turnover.
Wamar for 3. Torres the rebound, naagaw ni Ache Inigo. Mikey Alvarez, wrong foot layup goes through.
Forcing itong Negros to pick up their dribble early on.
Dignadice sticks in the free, layo nun.
Main guy for their offense besides Mike Alvarez.
Bounce pass to Papa Ray. He now has 7 points.
Quality minutes against Quezon.
Soberano, lista mo na yan. Hitting that.
Alam mo, sa panahon na ngayon, yung mga pag sinasabi mo high percentage shots, paminsan sa fast break, yung 3 points na rin ang high percentage shot.
Pero ito, sinalaksak niya.
So far, Dignadice doing a good job leaking out.
Soberano, his third attempt of a free. He has hit a couple already. At kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Turnover laban sa San Juan.
Seeing that turnover.
Defending multiple positions with his size, his length, his athleticism. Speaking of athleticism, look at Patrick Sleet go, turning defense into offense with their team. Mikey Alvarez. Manalang forces up the shot. Well, you covered that game, Coach Juan, yung San Juan versus Quezon. Two of the elite teams in the league, JP Boran.
How deep your bench is. And at that point, itong Quezon nga played their style of ball game. They're number 1 again with points allowed per game. They very deep offensive bench. Lalo na sa kanilang backcourt. Unfortunately, itong Quezon outworked itong backcourt ng San Juan.
A team that thrives on sharing that basketball only had 16 assists in that game as a result of that stingy defense by Quezon. Hanggang mamayang gabi, maganda yung mga laro natin, especially that second game between Zamboanga and Batangas City.
But his rookie year in college, not how it was initially planned. Literal na pinagtrabahuhan, bawat upo, minuto at tiwala before he finally had his breakout performances.
On San Juan that time, modifying that basket by Patrick Sleet. Manalang with another in the first half. Ache Inigo. The shot bounces off the rim. Good pass. Valin in traffic. Nahanap pa si Mikey Alvarez. Saka di ba meron silang dalawang sila Omorogme saka si Papayemi. Look at Patrick Sleet swatting that shot away. Ache Inigo puts in the trifecta. Lead is down to 5. Alforque nagmamadali. High off the glass and in to beat the buzzer.